Alright guys, so the LED bar is set up. So it auto comes on, auto goes off. And as you guys can see, we have it. Hello guys. Welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we got these LED light bars to show you. Now, I have a couple of these already, and I love these bars. So you can put these anywhere and everywhere. They give you a little manual, but we're gonna go over how they install. So you get a nice 10-pack here. They come individually. No, that's not a 10-pack. No, it's a 6-pack. It's 10 LED motion sensor bars, but it's a 6-pack. Sorry for that little mix up there. So this is what it looks like. On the center there, you see this little bubble dome? That is the motion sensor, and it works in the dark. So it picks you up in the dark and turns on. On the top here, there's gonna be this little layer. You peel this back and then you stick it wherever you want, and then it will automatically turn on once it picks up motion. Now it does take 4 AAA batteries. That's gonna be the downfall to this. It's not rechargeable. So if you're expecting rechargeable, it's not. Some people like that, some people don't. So you're gonna need a lot of AAA batteries. We're talking 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. You're gonna need 18 AAA batteries if you install all of these. So let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. And by the way guys, you just pull down here on this and the batteries just slide right down in. It looks like plus gets facing upward, and you just drop them right down in once you drop them in. So 4, oh no, did I say 3? Hold on. Guys, I apologize, man, I need my coffee this morning. It takes 4 batteries each. So, which is 24 batteries in total. So 4 batteries per compartment. And this is what it looks like in the daytime. Very bright. Alright guys, so the LED bar is set up. So it auto comes on, auto goes off. And as you guys can see, we have it right at our step. That way, as we're coming out here, it actually, I don't know if the camera's going to show it, but we can actually see our step. So, which makes it really nice for stepping down. I thought about putting it somewhere else. We have all those other bars, so right now I'm just kind of placing one bar at different spots to see what I like better. No, we don't like it there. So different spots, different places. I think we're going to keep this one there. But as you guys can see, super bright. I mean, that's without the light. That's with the light. So they're really nice. Easy to use.